I want to make this video for my son and grandsons and all you young men out there or people who like bikes. I have one son. I have an only son, and he's a really nice kid. You'll probably see him in some of the videos. This is going to be a half and half video. I haven't ridden, this is 2010 CBR RR 600. I haven't ridden it in about a year. And the battery went low on it. And then I tried to redo the battery, the damn thing won't work. So I went out and I got a Parts Unlimited lithium battery right here. And I've never tried one. But what I do know about them, here's got a little test button right here. They're really super light. Let me see if I can get this out. Come on.